Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how I did my makeup on my wedding day. I personally love how it turned out. I was super happy with it and all the pictures and everything, and I'm just hoping this can help you guys out if you're getting married or you're going to a fancy event or anything like that. Yeah, I hope this helps. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hey guys, so I'm going to firstly go in with my foundation and just spread that evenly over my face. Then I'm going to take my concealer and just brighten up any areas that need concealing. Making me look like a warrior. Yikes, there it is. After that, we're just going to set that all in. Then this is my favorite trick. I'll take a powder foundation actually and use that to cover up any spots you might have. Then we'll go in with a bronzer and just bronze up your face to add a little more dimension. After that, take a fluffy brush and blend it all in. After this, I actually like to go in with a beauty blender and just make sure we don't have any harsh lines going on. After that, a beauty blender again, I'll take it and put my blush on. Makes it look a little more dewy and less powdery on your skin. I love this highlighter, guys. It's amazing. A little more of a hassle to put on, but for your wedding day, it is definitely worth it. Actually just take my fingers to blend that in. I find the heat of your fingers helps really get it into your skin. Look at that, beauty. And then I'll go ahead with the beauty blender again and just make sure everything's blended in. Naked 3 palette, I love this. I'll use the gold color and just go over my lids. And take the third from the darkest and put that on the outer corners of my eyes. Make sure you blend it all out. We're going for kind of a natural smoky eye look here. After that, I'll take a powder highlighter and just highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And then with that same dark color, we're just going to draw a line underneath your lash line and then blend it out. From here, I actually take my brow marker and I just line the eyelids of my eyes. I find that this makes it look a little more smoky and not so harsh. I had lash extensions on for my wedding day, and so I put some falsies on for the sake of this video. And here I'm just doing my eyebrows. I do a line underneath, and then starting from the middle on the top, you work your way out and go to your arch. And then as you're filling them in, I recommend you do darker toward the end of your eyebrow, and the inner parts you want to keep a lot lighter. Here I'll just go in with the brow powder and go over any spots I may have missed. And then just brush them out to avoid any harsh lines. Here I'm just taking a chapstick to keep a very neutral lip for the base of my nude lipstick. And I just pat that on so it's not as harsh. And we're all finished.